Good morning, everyone! Nagbabalik ang inyong Madam Gracia. So, for today's video, guys, i-share ko sa inyo yung nabili naming metal detector. So, bumili na nga po ang school ng metal detector in bilang pagtugon sa guidelines natin, DepEd Order number 6, Series of 2026, regarding sa safety ng mga learners and school, ng mga teachers and the school people, diba? So, nakuha na natin itong guideline, yung ating metal detector. So, tignan natin, guys. Actually, kinuha natin siya kahapon sa supplier. Excited na akong gamitin. And then, mamaya check po natin doon sa gate. Ako, I will try myself to use this in the gate area with the kids. So, check natin ang laman. I don't know how to use this one. I don't know how to use this. No more na guys. But, meron siyang, yung tawag dito, for charging. So, mayroon naman pala siya ditong manual, how to gamitin. Like I am now like a policeman. So, I need to charge siguro. Kailangan ko muna siyang i-charge. Saan ang kanyang nailaw. So, meron siyang button para click this button to turn it on. Turn it on and off siguro pagbalik. Pag nag-red, if it's red, meaning to say there is a metal. Pag nag-green siya, pag nag-click siya ng red, meaning to say there is a metal. Tama ba? Diba? Kasi first time natin na gagamit. Nakita ko lang ito sa mall. Ginaganyan. Oops! Uy! Nagre-red. No metal. Ay, this one. Oh, dahil metal siya. Dahil metal siya sa gunting. Like this one, no, guys. Ayan, dito pala. So, pag dito, metal, nadidetect niya nagre-red. Diba? It reds. Turn into red, oh. Oh, see? Nice one. I'm gonna go to the later to the gate area and gonna check the bag for the learners. Yeah, I will try this. And it's nice, guys. Kung gusto niyo bumili, go lang kayo dun sa mga supplier nyo. Bahala na po kayo. Pero nakuha ko po siya sa Impression, one of our supplier yesterday. So, I'm so happy. Gonna check for the ball pen. No. How about for the glass? No. How about for my spoon? Ay, metal kasi na-detect niya yung kutsara metal. So, malalaman mo kung plastic o metal. How about that, yung tao? Plastic. I'm not metal, I am plastic. See, that's it, guys. So, in compliance with the DepEd Order number 6, guys, meron na tayo nito. And, syempre, sino-sino nga lang ba ang pwedeng gagamit nito o magkakandak ng bag inspection? So, based sa guidelines, dapat yung licensed security guard, and then the PTA volunteer and or non-teaching personnel. So, since I am a non-teaching personnel, I can use this also. Okay? And, syempre, yun naman din for the safety of the learners. Thank you very much. Nawa makatulong ang video ito. Thank you.